Hello and welcome to Silicon Valley Blockchain News for the week of August 22nd, 2021. First headline. Deloitte survey. Crypto will rival or replace Fiat within 10 years. Big Four accounting firm Deloitte surveyed finance professionals about their views on blockchain and digital assets. The majority of finance professionals thought that blockchain has a lot of potential in their businesses. But many said there are major obstacles, such as an old infrastructure, patchy regulatory frameworks, and glaring cybersecurity risk. Second headline. More than 70,000 ETH has now been burned by EIP 1559. On August 5th, Ethereum developers implemented a change to the network that burns gas fees instead of handling them to miner. $221 million worth of ETH has been burned since that change. Staking on ETH 2.0 surpassed 7 million ETH today. Third headline. Solana DeFi protocol Luna yield goes dark with 6.7 million in crypto. Luna yield has disappeared, taking $6.7 million of investors' funds with it. DeFi yield aggregator Luna yield baited investors with promises of high yields. The platform went dark after taking off with $6.7 million worth in cryptocurrency. SolPad, the platform which launched the Luna Yield IDO, has finalized its compensation plan for those affected. Thanks for watching. Signing off, Nishant.